Hey lovely, so in today's video I'll be doing my skincare routine. So to start off, I'm going to be cleansing my face. I use the CVS brand and this is the purifying foaming cleanser, and I love foaming cleansers, like absolutely the best. But this one is actually supposedly the dupe for the La Roche-Posay. I've never tried that brand, which I do in the future. But if you want to save some money, I definitely recommend getting this cleanser because it is great. Step number 2 is toner. And as you guys could tell, this is my absolute favorite product because I'm literally running low. But if you guys don't have a toner, a part of your skincare routine, I would definitely recommend to try rose water. It has so many benefits for your skin and it smells wonderful and it's just the best. So if I were to literally have to choose one skincare product to have for the rest of my life, only one, it would be rose water. Step number 3 is vitamin C serum. I love this specific brand, and let me know if you guys use vitamin C a part of your skincare routine, because I know a lot of people feel like there's no benefits from vitamin C serum, but I've tried not adding it to my skincare routine and it just doesn't feel the same to me. But let me know in the comments down below if you use vitamin C serum. Step number 4 is the absolute one that all of you guys should be using. Even if you don't have a skincare routine, make sure you apply your sunscreen, because in the future it's gonna be so healthy for your skin in general as you age. So if you're not open to like having a full-on skincare routine, please apply your sunscreen. Step number 5 is moisturizer, and it's very 50-50 when I use my moisturizer during my daytime routine, because I mainly like to use it apart as my nighttime skincare routine. So it really just depends whether I'm feeling it with the moisturizer. But this e.l.f. one is actually pretty good, but I would like to try different brands. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. And the last step is just moisturizing my lips. But I hope you guys enjoy my daytime skincare routine, and for my next video it will be an acne skincare with a new product that I'm recently using. So if you guys are looking forward to that, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below what other skincare videos you guys would like me to do. But I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.